Meaning of individualized.
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 Individualized. Individualized refers to the act of tailoring something specifically to meet the needs or preferences of a particular individual rather than applying a standard approach that may not be suitable for everyone. This can be seen in various fields such as education, healthcare, and marketing, where personalized solutions are customized for each person based on their unique characteristics and circumstances. The result of individualized approaches is typically more effective outcomes and higher levels of satisfaction, since they are designed with the specific individual's goals and interests in mind, leading to greater engagement and motivation to succeed.